Preference of transistor. Transistor are of two types as we know it. One is PNP and second is NPN transistor. Now the question arises that which one of them is better in comparison to the other, or which one of them is the best that can be used widely in the electronic circuits. In PNP transistor, the holes are the majority charge carriers, and in NPN transistor, electrons are majority charge carriers and they contribute to the transistor currents. The mobility of charge carriers is the ratio of their drift velocity to the applied electric field, as we know this. So this mobility mu is equal to Vd upon E. Now we will find the mobility of the electrons and holes. So this is the mobility of holes, mobility of electrons at the temperature 300 K, that is the room temperature. For silicon, the mobility of holes is 450 centimeter square per volt second, and that the electrons is 1400 centimeter square per volt second. For germanium, the mobility of the holes is 1900 centimeter square per volt second, and for electrons the mobility is 8500 centimeter square per volt second. For gallium arsenide, the mobility of holes is 400 centimeter square per volt second, and that of the electrons is 3900 centimeter square per volt second. From this data, it is clear that at room temperature, the mobility of the electrons is always more than the mobility of the holes. It means that NPN transistor is the best one. This is why that NPN transistor is preferred in comparison to the PNP transistor. So in all electronic circuits, approximately the NPN transistor is used widely. So this is why that generally the NPN transistor is preferred. Thank you very much.